Already distracted with your work, I see. Just remember to spend some quality time with your sister while you're there.
And how do you define quality time with a 7-year-old?
Any time spent together when you're not busy doing something else.
She'll have Tabitha, someone her own age.
According to her latest school essay, which she got an A+ on, by the way, the person she looks up to most is her big sister. Not her mom, who does everything for her, but her always busy, sometimes shrewd, big sister.
Where is the little brat anyways?
She's in the shower. She got up a little late because she must have had a nightmare. Woke up at the crack of dawn and came to sleep in my bed.
What kind of nightmare?
She just heard you screaming or something like that. It scared her. Or maybe it wasn't a nightmare. I could have swore I heard something myself this morning.
Okay, so I had a spooky dream and I woke up screaming. That's it.
It wouldn't be the first time this month, would it? Is everything okay, honey?
Yeah. So, I had a nightmare. It happens. It's not a big deal.